I went and copped the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop shit.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's your girl Antionettekay. And first I'm starting off with my NYX primer, Honey Do Me Up, and my MAC primer. For brows today, I'm just going in with the regular brow pencil, and to conceal I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in the color Creme. After blending that out, I'm going in with foundation, and I'm using my Fenty Beauty in the shade 370, and I mixed that with NYX Total Drop Foundation in the color Cappuccino. To conceal under my eyes, I'm using LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and also in the color Pure Beige. After that, I'm going to blend that out with the wet beauty blender. To bake, I'm using Absolute New York pressed powder in the shade Banana. Next, I'm going to contour with my NYX Cream Contour Stick in the shade Deep. After blending everything out, I'm moving into my lips. I'm going to line my lips with just a brown lip liner, and then I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Butterscotch. For lashes, I'm going in with Primped Minks strip lashes, which actually haven't released yet, so stay tuned for those. Primped Minks on Instagram. I'm defining my brows with Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Summer, and also I'm going to place that in my tear duct as well as my highlight. Okay, so for this next portion, y'all better not laugh at me, but I seen that they have bang pieces that you can buy from the beauty supply store. But since I had a quick weave that I took out recently, I just let it air dry and cut a little piece of it and bobby pinned it down to my head and cut it into a bang. I'm going in with my Chi heat protectant to flat iron my bang. As far as creating my faux ponytail, I laid my hair down using New York Even 24-hour edge tamer, and I created the faux ponytail using Alley Pearl bundles. And then for the finished look, I'm pairing this with a Oriental skirt that I got for $9.99 from Forever 21, as well as red heels from Forever 21 that were $24.99 to complete this look.
The pop shit. I'm always in the top shit. Box seats, bitch, fuck the gossip. How many of them could've did it with finesse? Not everybody like she really is the best.